again. Wow. Binagoong gulay. See the ampalaya, very cute. With fried chicken. The binagoong gulay. Binagoong gulay. Basta bagoong, mauna na siya. Chicken. The gulay. Fried chicken. It's fried. Fried chicken. Pepper. Squeeze a lemon. Magic. Some salt. And very mix. Mix. And then add egg. Mix.